Magandang araw po. Welcome po dito sa ating mamuting channel, ang Lance TV. Guys, ito po yung venue na pagdadausan ng induction ceremony ng mga board of directors ng Comsufil dito po sa Riyadh. Ayan. Medyo wala pa po yung mga bisita natin diyan at saka yung ibang mga board of directors, kaya ito inayos pa lang po namin yung venue. Okay, maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Okay guys, tunghayan po natin ang ceremony na ito. Salamat! Panoorin po natin guys.
Partner? My name is Alvin Vito and alongside my co-host Mr. Ed Maragison, we have the honor of guiding you through this significant occasion. And before we begin, we kindly request everyone to ensure that your mobile devices are on silent mode to maintain the solemnity of our program. So kindly please do the... Sumil ang iyong kamay sa larangan ng Panginoon. Dito mo makikita ang bayanihan ng lang. Kung sumil ang iyong kamay sa larangan ng teknolohiya, tulong-pulong kayong lahat, ipinayo sa pamilya. Saan ang iyong puso at isipan? Kapalit nito'y niyan makakanta.
Isipin ko na lang na tayo'y isa. Takpan ng lahat.
Kung sumil ang iyong kamay sa larangan ng teknolohiya, dito mo makikita bayanihan talaga. Kung sumil ang iyong kamay sa larangan ng teknolohiya, tulong-tulong tayong lahat, mahintay sa pamilya. Ituro mo sa iyong kapwa ang iyong kaalaman at iyong malipay ka. Magiging ako ang bawat isa. Kung sumil ang iyong gabay sa larangan ng teknolohiya, ito mo ang makikita bayanihan talaga. Kung sumil ang iyong gabay sa larangan ng teknolohiya, tulong-tulong tayong lahat kahit malayo sa pamilya. Was found purpose and fulfillment through volunteerism, inspired by the profound impact that Comsufil has on his professional growth. Ray has become a passionate advocate of the organization, striving to inform others about the opportunities it provides. Mr. Ray Sinco, our VP PR.
I am thrilled to introduce to you our next board of directors, the handsome guy, the face of this afternoon session, this afternoon's event, Engineer Wally Yu Chua. Mr. Wally Chua is a civil engineer by profession. He is holding a position of senior quantity surveyor. A seasoned civil engineer with over 15 years, wala naman. 15 years of experience in the construction industry. Nag-usap nga po kami kung totoo pa siya kasi kaputing bata eh. Engineer Chua specialized in delivering high-quality projects across diverse sectors, including luxury hotels, residential and office development. Engineer Chua is also certified in caregiving, basic life support, and nursing, showcasing his commitment to a lifelong learning and versatility. As a member of Comsufil Education Team, in 2024, he actively supports education and mentorship, embodying a dedication to excellence and knowledge sharing. Once again, the face of this afternoon session, Engineer Wally Yu Chua.
And our Secretary, Mr. Jerome R. De Guzman. Mr. De Guzman is a skilled barista currently working at Cinnamon Coffee Shop with a strong academic foundation in agriculture and marketing. A graduate of Central Luzon State University with a Bachelor of Science in Agriculture, Mr. Jerome further expanded his expertise by completing marketing studies in Saudi Arabia. In addition to his professional career, Mr. Jerome is an active member of Comsoville, serving as Secretary of Board of Directors, presently and sharing his expertise as barista trainer. Once again, Mr. Jerome De Guzman, our Secretary.
Sir. Pagkala mo kayo na senior, sabi ko sa mga senior ng Board of Directors. So let's move on to the Assistant Vice President of Education, Ms. Jean C. Montañez. The chapter provider, volunteer and food service and industry service technology specialist. So Ms. Jean Montañez is a seasoned child care provider with over 16 years of experience combining dedication, compassion, and professionalism in her field. In addition to her professional career, Jean is an active volunteer contributing to international events from 2016 up to 2022 in United Arab Emirates and Saudi Arabia. As a member of Council since 2023, Jean embodies a holistic approach to professional and community. Her motivation stems from a desire to contribute meaningfully, build connections with diverse individuals, and continuous learning and growth. Once again, Ms. Jean Montañez.
Our AVP Education, Mr. Orlando M. Chodoro, a dedicated working as an electrical and communication technician, a committed member of the Computer Society, Comsoville since 2021. Mr. Orlando has actively supported and volunteered for the organization from 2022 to the present, under the leadership of President Claire and other officers with guidance from the Board of Trustees and mentorship of Ma'am Elsa. Once again, Mr. Orlando Chodoro, our AVP Finance.
Let's not forget the next gentleman, a dedicated automotive facilitator, none other than Mr. Manolo Bontato. Mr. Manolo Bontato has been instrumental in teaching automotive basic and advanced courses in Comsoville since 2024 with a strong background in automotive technology. Sir, lakas yung mga iyan generasyon. With the practical knowledge to help them succeed in the field. Manolo's hands-on teaching approach ensures that learners gain both theoretical understanding and real-world experience in vehicle maintenance, repair, and diagnostic. Once again, Mr. Ian Veneracion, Mr. Manolo Bontato, our AVP Education.
Our VP Engineering Technical, Mr. Joel S. Casillas. A highly experienced supervisor technician at Saudi Arab Security Company. Mr. Ray Joel brings exceptional technical skills and leadership to his role as a committed member of Comsoville since 2014. He has served in multiple key positions, including Vice President of Engineering and Vice President of Membership. Once again, Mr. Ray Joel S. Casillas.
The person, small but terrible. Alam niyo na kung sino. A skilled technical support specialist in Comsoville Contracting Company. None other than Mr. Jerry Alcantara. PSB dedicated support staff members of Comsoville since 2013 with a strong commitment to both technical caregiving fields, and he is also serving as the caregiving assistant facilitator, sharing his knowledge and expertise with aspiring caregivers. Totoo naman po, kasi nung kami po nag-aaral ng caregiving, napaka-pasensyoso po ni Sir Jerry. Kahit po minsan yung mga, alam niyo na, makapulit. Mr. Jerry is a TESDA certified caregiver and a certified basic life support provider accredited by the Saudi Heart Organization. So his diverse skill set and passion for helping others make a valuable contributor to both his professional and volunteer roles, where he continues to support and educate individuals in both technical and healthcare field. Once again, small but terrible, Mr. Jerry Alcantara.
We have our AVP membership, Mr. Christopher Parlada, a skilled engineer and passionate digital photography instructor. Mr. Perlada has been an integral part of Concept since 2020, where he has made significant contribution to both technical and creative fields. On December 17, 2020, he was appointed as Assistant Vice President of Engineering, further demonstrating his leadership and technical expertise. Once again, Mr. Christopher Perlada, our ABP membership.
Even though he's not here, we would like to acknowledge one of their fellow officers, Mr. Bernard W. De La Cruz. He is a manager at the time. Manager pala. A dedicated test accredited passer and skill managers, Mr. Bernard brings a unique combination of caregiving, expertise, and leadership to his role. With a strong commitment to excellence, he effectively oversees operation and ensures high quality outcomes in his company, exemplifying professionalism and adaptability in all aspects of work. That's Mr. Bernard De La Cruz. Oh, we forget the handsome guy, Mr. Dennis B. Benicio. Sir Dennis? Okay.
Mr. Dennis Bendicio is a computer and electronic engineer, an IT technician, a skilled computer, electronic engineer, and IT technician with expertise in fiber optic technology, with a strong foundation in fiber optic basic and advanced certification. Once again, Mr. Dennis Bendicio.
Join us, please rise, and let us give a big round of applause to the members of the Board of Directors 2025! Okay, you may now take your seats. So, before you go, magbibigay lang kami ng konting advice. As the team for our induction ceremony, there's one word there. Bolon. Very sick. Sorry. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, it is more on giving than taking. And also, I know, kasi minsan bupuri ako sa posisyon na yan, that there will be some clashes, some misunderstandings, some conflicts, but at the end of the day, our goal is to serve our Filipino community. Okay? So, pagka nawawala na tayo sa linya, bumalik ulit tayo kung bakit tayo umupo as Board of Directors. Ang sentro natin ay hindi ang ating sarili, kundi yung community na umaasa sa atin. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for taking that role for us. Alam namin hindi yan madali. But again, alam namin God has you as a will while you were there, and you have a role to perform. Leadership is not a matter of dictating people what to do, but leadership itself is duplicating yourself minus your negative points. And leadership, as Engineer Balboa mentioned, it's more on mentoring. It's more on coaching. It's more pursuing people to achieve their dreams. So, God bless you all, the Board of Directors.
Moving on, we now proceed to the oath-taking ceremony to be administered by our guest speaker, Honorable Engineer Mario A. Balboa.
Okay, please raise your right hand. And